Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for May 25th, 2014. It's currently 10:10 a.m. It's perfect. And it's absolutely beautiful out there today with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s over the New York City metropolitan area. Even Long Island is already in the mid 60s, and mid to upper 60s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. We have winds from the west around 5 to 10 miles per hour that will back to the southwest later on this afternoon, transporting a very humid and summer-like air mass into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas. High pressure is in control today, so that means clear skies for the most part. A few sky clouds are possible. For the most part, no threat for showers or thunderstorms. I can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm, let's say over eastern Pennsylvania or western New Jersey or the northern interior just because of the heating of the day. But for the most part, most locations can experience dry conditions. Temperatures today will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over much of the region, mid to upper 70s over portions of Long Island and the immediate coast due to influences from the Atlantic Ocean. Overall, very much a summer-like day. As far as the radar is concerned, as you can see, high and dry out there, not much going on. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see high pressure is in complete control here, basically stretching from the western Great Lakes all the way to the east coast, with scattered cloud cover to clear skies throughout the region. However, notice this northerly flow here. You could get a few embedded disturbances here, touching off an isolated shower or thunderstorm over northeastern Pennsylvania, the Hudson River Valley, or Connecticut. Keyword there, isolated. For the most part, dry conditions are expected. And as you head down towards the Philadelphia metro, as you can see, that high pressure system is doing a great job of clearing out the skies, thus leading to no threat for precipitation whatsoever over the Philadelphia metropolitan area and central and southern New Jersey. So if you have plans to go out to the beach, today's the day to do it. It is going to be absolutely beautiful out there. And this high pressure system is going to remain controlled for tomorrow with even warmer conditions. How about lower to mid 80s for the New York City metropolitan area, mid 80s for the Philadelphia metropolitan area? I wouldn't rule out a few upper 80s as well in this atmospheric pattern. So it's very much summer-like for Memorial Day weekend. So how long is this going to last? Well, let's take a look at the water vapor satellite picture. And as you know, we have our pesky little disturbance out here over the western Atlantic. It's moving towards the Canadian Maritimes. This is the disturbance that produced very heavy rain on Friday night. It was rather impressive and led to the Mets game being canceled. Perhaps it should have also extended into Saturday as well, but, well, we all know how they lost there as well. So what we have here is a pattern that is continuing to be dominated by the Western Atlantic Trough. In this case, we're on the positive side of it. We're getting convergence and confluence aloft, that's that northwesterly flow, which enhances the high pressure system and produces absolutely beautiful weather. The problem is that in this type of pattern, it's kind of short-lived. So enjoy the 2 or 3 days that you have, which is basically today, tomorrow, and much of Tuesday afternoon, because then this cold front comes in and it puts an end to that summer-like weather with significant showers and thunderstorms. And those thunderstorms could be severe on Tuesday night, producing hail, wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, frequent lightning, very heavy downpours. It's going to be very, very ugly on Tuesday evening, especially for that rush hour as that cold front moves through. And then after that cold front moves through, we fall to well below normal levels as far as temperatures are concerned. And we end up with this broad trough over the eastern United States, and the northern mid-Atlantic falls to a below normal temperature regime with the threat of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not exactly pleasant for summer-like weather or for summer activities. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State UL website using the GFS model guidance. Now, here we are for this afternoon. Again, high pressure and control. Can't rule out an isolated, I mean extremely isolated shower, and we see that right here on the model guidance. Particularly focused over eastern New England, really, but can't rule it out for the New York City metropolitan area at least. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s for highs. For tonight, again, high pressure and control, scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out a little bit of fog developing. Temperatures falling into the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows. For tomorrow, very warm out there. Temperatures rebounding into the mid 80s for highs. A couple upper 80s mixed in there. Right along the coast, mid to upper 70s. Now for Monday, or should I say for Tuesday, that cold front's approaching. Ahead of the cold front, a strong southwesterly wind. Temperatures are going to be very muggy out there. Lower to mid 60s for lows, mid 80s for highs, a couple upper 80s mixed in there. Right along the coast, upper 70s. And those showers and thunderstorms are going to move through on Tuesday night, producing some very heavy downpours and some frequent lightning. And it's just going to be ugly on Tuesday afternoon and evening. That cold front moves through on Wednesday. We have a few lingering showers, but high pressure is starting to take control. So look for clearing skies on Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures in the lower to mid 60s for lows, upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. And then for Thursday and Friday, we're going to have disturbances move through the region with the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not widespread, but certainly a threat each day. And temperatures falling back to below normal levels in the mid 50s for lows and lower to mid 70s for highs. And then for the Saturday to follow, again, a threat for isolated to widely scattered showers and temperatures ranging from the mid 50s for lows and lower to mid 70s for highs. Well, that's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. As always, you can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.